Hey guys, welcome back to another helpful video of Quick Guide, and in this video I am going to show you how to fix a connection issue in Netflix. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now, in order to fix a connection issue in Netflix, you just simply have to open your Netflix application at first, and after opening the Netflix application, just simply choose your profile. After choosing the profile into there, just simply tap into this My Netflix option at the bottom right, and from there click to this 3 bars at the top right. Then after tapping into the 3 bars, you will see the option of app settings. Simply tap into that, and after going into the app settings option, you will see so many options into here. You just simply have to scroll down to diagnostics option, and from here just simply tap into this check network option. And after coming into this section, just simply tap into start test option, and then it will check your network connection if there is any server issues or issues with your own internet connections. Then after that, if it shows the issues with Netflix Android server, then you would have to wait for the Netflix to fix the issue. And if your internet connection is the issue, you should check your routers or the Wi-Fi connections, or you should call your internet service providers and fix the network connection. By following these very easy methods, you can easily fix a connection issue in Netflix. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.